Triptii Dimri replaces Deepika Padukone as female lead in Prabhas Staro Spirit. Following reports of Deepika Padukone's exit from the Prabhas Staro Spirit, the makers have found a new lead actress for the film. Directed by Deepika Vanga, known for Animal and Kabir Singh, Spirit will now star Triptii Dimri as the female lead. Triptii has previously collaborated with Vanga on the successful film Animal. Triptii Dimri confirms joining Spirit. Triptii Dimri confirmed her role as the female lead in Spirit on Saturday through a post on social media. She posted a picture of the title poster with her name in various Indian and international languages. Expressing her gratitude, she wrote, "Still sinking in, so grateful to be trusted with this journey. Thank you Prabhas. Vanga, honored to be a part of your vision." Nana post shared by Triptii Dimri. Triptii_Dimri. Prabhas Vanga welcomes Triptii Dimri. Meanwhile, Prabhas Vanga also welcomed Triptii on board. Sharing the announcement poster, he wrote, "The female lead for my film is now official." Nana post shared by Prabhas Vanga. Prabhas Vanga. This film marks the first on-screen collaboration between Prabhas and Triptii, a new pairing that is likely to generate significant interest among audiences and the industry. Additionally, Spirit is Triptii's second project with director Prabhas Vanga, producer Bhushan Kumar, and Prabhas Vanga after their hit film Animal, starring Ranbir Kapoor. Deepika Padukone's exit from Prabhas Staro Spirit. A few days ago, news emerged that Prabhas Vanga reportedly removed Deepika Padukone from Spirit. Reports suggest that her demands, including 8-hour workdays, a high salary, and a share in the film's profits, did not sit well with director Vanga. Deepika, a new mother, is reportedly seeking to balance her work and personal life by reducing her working hours. This decision led to her departure from the film, which would have been her second collaboration with Prabhas after their recent project, Kalki 2898 AD. Following her exit from Spirit, Deepika has reportedly joined the cast of Allu Arjun's next film with director Adli. While she hasn't officially announced her upcoming slate, buzz suggests she'll be part of Kalki's sequel and might also appear in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Love War as well as King. Nanan latest blogs.